Hello everyone and welcome back to Sudden Wealth. If you do enjoy my content, please consider dropping that like and subscribe. Greatly helps the channel. And yeah, channel is growing, so I really appreciate your support, guys. And let's keep it going, of course. Now I just wanted to give you a bit more detail about what I said that BlackRock ETF will be a huge buy the rumor, sell the news event. Now, most people have forgotten 2017, the top of Bitcoin in that cycle was the day of the CME futures coming out. If you look at 2021, when Coinbase went through the IPO, that day we hit 65,000, and that should have been the top, by the way. But you had, for the first time, a huge amount of people that decided to inject leverage into the system like crazy. Who are they? Michael Saylor was down on Bitcoin for a long time. 3 Arrows Capital, bankrupt. Celsius, bankrupt. BlockFi, bankrupt. So all of them bought Bitcoin on leverage with other people's money, by the way, and they pushed the price to 69,000. One day, it was 69,000, which is 6% higher than April 2021 on the Coinbase IPO. What did you see on the Coinbase IPO? Exactly what you would expect. The previous weeks and months, up. IPO happens, sell the news, boom, down. Now that's going to happen with the BlackRock ETF. By the way, I know what the SEC said, and I've mentioned this in a previous video, but this is very clear. 55 different entities tried a Bitcoin ETF. All of them got a resounding no. Everyone knows that BlackRock is deeply connected, nefariously connected with the US government. So they need to play this game where it seems like the SEC is about to say no, just like they did for the other 55. So you see that BlackRock is not getting a preferential treatment. This is all shenanigans, this is all games. These will eventually be approved. I can be wrong, of course, this is just my opinion, but I would be completely surprised if actually that really this doesn't go through and it's really, stopped, let's say. I don't think so. Now, when that happens, you're gonna see a huge buy the rumor again over the months before the actual ETF comes out. And I can tell you that the day the ETF comes out, there is going to be a huge sell the news, just like it happened last time. Now, hopefully, the ETF comes around the Bitcoin halving in March 2024. By the way, the Bitcoin halving is already a buy the rumor, sell the news event, meaning ramps up before the Bitcoin halving, day of the Bitcoin halving goes down. Hopefully, if those two can coincide, would be great, because that means that we have a very good chance to see all-time highs on Bitcoin over 2025. But if the ETF comes out in, let's say, November, December 2024, that's a very good chance that that's going to mark the top for Bitcoin. Then Ethereum and the altcoins should top out over the next about 30 to 40 days afterwards. So typically, Ethereum tops 28 days after Bitcoin, and altcoins top 3, 4, 5 days after Ethereum tops out. Why? Bitcoin is liquidity bonded. Its liquidity is bonded heavily with Ethereum. So when one goes up, the other one goes up together. But as Bitcoin seems to not give the returns that investors want, there's a period of about a month where they transfer part of the Bitcoin to the Ethereum world, let's say, and that's why you have that 28 days delay. Then Ethereum gains start to top out, so they go down the risk curve to the altcoins as well. And then when Bitcoin starts to crash more aggressively, Ethereum starts to crash more aggressively, which means altcoins also start to crash more aggressively. But in any case, this is the reason why I believe, sorry for this little tangent, but it's just, if you don't believe me, go back in time, look at the charts, see if what I'm saying is not 100% correct. And this is, I just wanted to explain a bit why you're going to see the big sell the news once the ETF is out. It makes perfect sense. Now, the question is, why is this so predictable? Because this space is still not touched that much by institutional money. So you can really see the retail psychology in play. In any case, I'll leave it that for a different video, and I'll catch you in the next one.